Riding the waves of latent herding online shopping behavior. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The internet has grown tremendously in the recent and many of its applications have been used by people all over the world. Online shopping, which is a recent phenomenon in the field of electronic commerce, e-commerce, is definitely going to be the future of shopping in the world, particularly during and after the coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19 outbreak. It seems that online shopping has been one of the ways that customers shop nowadays, especially to the younger generations and working people. Most of the young working people have access to the internet due to its ubiquitous, and many have started to sell and buy online. Though online shopping is quite common now, its growth in Malaysian market is still not in line with the global market. The potential growth of online shopping has triggered the idea of conducting an exploratory study on online shopping in Malaysia. A survey was carried out with 168 part-time students who work in Klang Valley area and also currently study in University Kebangsaan Malaysia, UKM. The purpose of this study is to find out how well they understand about online shopping and what factors contribute to their online shopping behaviors. The results of study reveal that customer satisfaction, motivation and influence from other buyers are among the critical factors for customers to shop online. Respondents sense to mimic other customers in buying online. The results of the study could be further used by the researchers and practitioners for conducting future studies in the similar area. Online shopping has become a common way for people to buy goods and services using the internet. Since the 1990s, when the internet started to be used for business, e-commerce has grown rapidly and is now an important part of how companies sell products. It is especially popular among younger people who are comfortable using digital technology. Online shopping is convenient. It allows people to shop anytime and anywhere without visiting physical stores. Shoppers can search for items or click on ads to find what they need, and sellers can reach buyers around the world. However, not everyone is comfortable with online shopping. Some people worry about online security, don't trust sellers, or feel it is not worth the effort. Because online shopping involves both technology and human behavior, it is not always easy to understand why people choose to shop online or avoid it. This study focuses on university students to explore why they shop online, what motivates them, and what concerns they have. By studying their behavior, we hope to better understand what influences online shopping decisions. The findings can help businesses, educators, and policymakers better support safe and convenient online shopping experiences for young consumers. Online shopping is growing quickly and becoming a normal part of life, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, when people avoided going to physical stores. Young people, including university students, are among the most active online shoppers. This study looks at what drives part-time university students in Malaysia to shop online. It focuses on three key factors: customer satisfaction, personal motivation, and influence from other buyers. Interestingly, the influence of other people, such as seeing others buy or reading their feedback, plays an important role in encouraging online purchases. This idea, known as herding behavior, is a newer area worth exploring further. Since online shopping in Malaysia is still developing, this study was done with a small group of students. More research is needed with larger and more diverse groups. The findings can help businesses and online platforms better understand what encourages people to shop online and improve the online shopping experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.